coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, as well as Saturday Morning Makes. Saturday Morning Makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and this is a collaboration where we share everything that we have been using throughout the week or on Saturday. And so her link will be down below, as well as my friends, UCYM Madiva, which is Lisa, and Girliest Cards, which is Gloria. And so we get together, we go ahead and craft and choose a theme, and then we share it with you all. So this week's theme is open, maker's choice. So what I chose to do was 3x3 cards. Yes, and I'm starting to really love those things, 3x3s. All right, anyway, so this is my main focus right here, which is from My Creative Time. I hadn't used this. I bought it on her retirement sale, but love this. So I focused on the flower. I think I used Stay Beautiful, Stay Grateful, Thinking of You, and Make Your Day Count. And so that's what I'm focusing on for this week. I stamped that out with Memento Tuxedo black ink, as well as the flowers. I pulled these leaves from My Craft Spot. She was a company a while back. She's long closer shop, but anyways, I used those. And My Creative Time again. She has the perfect 3x3 collection. And so here we go. I'm using the fancy envelope. And yes, I made that box. I'll leave the link down below if you want the tutorial of the box. But this, as well as the 3x3 trifold card die. I believe she might be out of this as of right now. Hopefully it'll be back in shop soon. But love those. But you can pick up both of those from My Creative Time. All right. I think that is it. So let me show you my box starting out. Here we go. I thought I would make everything for the main color in white. So love how that turned out. I want to say I can actually pull this ink out right here. Pearl white is what I used just to accent that white flower. It was so simple just to do that on there. And there goes my box made from that 3x3 envelope. It looks really nice. That's how it looks. Anyway, so let's open this up and share the cards that I made. Then I also use these envelopes for the envelopes of the cards. So everything fits so perfectly in there. Let me get all of these out so that I can share these with you. So that's how that looks there. And then let's share this first one here. All of them are different colors. There goes the Thinking of You. And I just used, I want to say 3 markers for each one. I'm sorry I didn't save out all the markers. But there goes the inside of that. And then I just put a little piece, cut that in half, using the same die to cut that in half there and lay that. And then the back side of it is here. And then I use a stamp. Let me show you that stamp. I forgot I used that. And I picked this stamp up, and it's from My Sentiments Exactly. And I got it from Hobby Lobby a while ago. And it came, this is the sentiment there. This card was handmade by, and then I just signed it, Mo Creations there. But love that one. So there goes this one there. Here goes the next color there. Stay Beautiful. And everything is pretty much made the same way. Half of the card there. And then I also stamped that on the back side. And then I used about 3 markers, maybe 4, because I forgot about the inside color, which is yellow. But love those there. And then the last color here, same way, I made that. And then there goes their Stay Grateful. Love that blue, and I tried to get all my markers. Actually, I colored the flowers first, then I looked for the paper. So the paper was perfect, and I'll show you that paper in just a second. There goes the inside, and there goes that there. Anyway, so I used some paper out of this one, which is Gingham Galore Holiday, and it's from Honeybee Stamps. And unfortunately, I can't find the other pack, but I got it on the clearance sale over at Honeybee. They have tons of 6x6 papers on clearance, so you might want to hop over and get them, and they're $2.50. So very good price, especially for Gingham. I hope they still have it there, but I'm not sure. But anyways, if you would like to join in on hashtag Two Crafters One Design, make sure you use our theme for the week, which this week it is open. Maker's Choice, a perfect challenge for anyone. So whatever you've created, you can use that hashtag. And you can even use it on Instagram if you like as well. All right, so that's all I have for you. Everyone's links will be down below. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.